Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing about the element lead. We'll discuss about its description, its history, qualities, production methods, and application. What is lead? Lead can be physically seen as a bluish-white lustrous metal. Its name comes from the Latin word plumbum, meaning waterworks, referring back to ancient times when the metal was widely used in the construction of water pipes. It is very soft, highly malleable, ductile, and a relatively poor conductor of electricity. It is very resistant to corrosion but tarnishes upon exposure to air. History. Lead has been mined for more than 6,000 years, and the metal and its compounds have been used throughout history. Ancient Egyptians were likely the first to extract lead, which they used to make small sculptures. Compounds of lead have also been found in Egyptian pottery glazes. The Greeks were the first to recognize lead's corrosion-resistant properties and applied lead as protective covering on ship hulls. The Romans consequently began extracting large quantities of lead for their expansive water systems. During the 1st century AD, the Roman lead production was approximately 80,000 tons per year. Sheets of lead were used to line baths. Lead pipes was created by wrapping sheets of lead metal around a rod and soldering the edges together. Lead piping, which was used until the 20th century, helped protect against corrosion, but also resulted in widespread lead poisoning. In the Middle Ages, lead was being used as a roofing material in some areas of Europe because of its resistance to fire. Both Westminster Abbey and St. Paul's Cathedral in London have lead roofs that date back hundreds of years. Later, pewter, an alloy of tin and lead, was used to make mugs, plates, and cutlery. Mid-17th century, lead's high density was identified as an ideal material for bullets. Lead shot was first produced by allowing melted lead droplets to fall into the water, where they would solidify in a spherical shape. Properties of lead. Atomic symbol for lead is Pb, also known as plumbum. Atomic number 82. Atomic mass is 207.2. Melting point is 327.5 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is around 1740 degrees Celsius. And density is 11.36 grams per cubic centimeter.
So now we are going to talk about its production or the production of lead. The most economical important lead ore is called galena. Galena contains lead sulfide as well as zinc and silver, all of which can be extracted and refined to produce pure metals. Lead is chiefly obtained from the mineral galena by a roasting process. Other ores that are mined for lead include anglesite. Anglesite is a mineral consisting of lead sulfate formed by the oxidation of galena, and cerussite, which is a colorless or white mineral consisting of a carbonate of lead that occurs in transparent crystals and also in massive form and is a source of white lead. At least 40% of lead in the UK is recycled from secondary sources such as scrap batteries and pipes. Now let's go to its applications, or the different uses of leads. Tetraethyl lead is still used in some grades of petrol or gasoline, but it is being phased out on environmental grounds. Lead is a major constituent of the lead-acid battery used extensively in car batteries. Also, lead is used as a coloring element in ceramic glazes, such as projectiles, in some candles to thread the wick. Although the Consumer Product Safety Commission has finally banned the use of lead in candle wicks. These kind of candles would emit large amount of lead into the air that would be risky to human health, especially children. It is also used as traditional base, metal Fergan pipes, and it is used as electrodes in the process of electrolysis. Lead is also used in the glass of computer and television screens where it shields the viewer from radiation. Other uses are in sheathing cables, solders, lead crystal, glassware, ammunitions, bearings, and as weight in sport equipment. Additional applications are roofing, making of water and gas pipes. For sheathing cables, because of its resistance to corrosion, its flexibility, low melting point, and cheapness. It is used for making bullets, lead shots, and weights because of its high density. This metal is also used for making lead accumulators. Lead is used in making alloys such as type metal, pewter, and plumber solder. It is used for making lead compounds. Example, the oxides and lead, tetraethyl. Lead is used as a shield against X-rays and radioactive radiation because it is the cheapest of the very dense metals and has a high absorbing power. So that is all for lead. Thank you for watching.